Welcome to our tours where you can visit outstanding farms, to wonderful lake properties and everything in between. Exceptionally crafted 4-bedroom, 4-bath custom home ready for new owners. Downstairs primary, office, formal living room and dining room, fabulous kitchen, open to the family room with fireplace, split bedroom floor plan, 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths off the family room, full screened porch with outside kitchen, upstairs bonus room, 3-car garage with workshop, circle drive, workshed and workshed. Newer roof, HVACS, appliances, hot water heater,